So good afternoon. I'm an Stevens, representing Kibi Senior Technical School, and I'm working on a project, vacuum cleaner, to solve environmental problem, that is waste disposal. So this is my machine I created, and it comes with a nozzle, a handle. Unfortunately, my spark plug got finished, and this is my switch, and this is my battery. It is connected with 3.5 volt DC motor, which is inside, and there's a propeller and then a filter. As you can see, there's a filter inside, and the propeller is inside. Okay, so this machine operates by pulling microscopic materials on the ground, which are not too big. So this is the nozzle and this is the mat. So we have the head and then the mat. So we are going to pick this rubbish using this machine. The vacuum cleaner, that's what it does. So turn the switch on, then we point the nozzle towards the rubbish. Then, as you can see, so it draws all the rubbish into it, tiny particles. Alright. So thank you very much for watching this video, and subscribe to our channel.